Another step towards getting shots in the arms of younger children. Pfizer now asking for the use of its vaccine in children from ages 5 to 11.
If regulators approve it, shots could become available just in time for the holidays. KPRC 2 News is your vaccine central. We have a team dedicated to following up on every vaccine headline. Houston's only full-time TV health reporter, Haley Hernandez, joins us live now from the Texas Medical Center. So, Haley, what do pediatricians have to say about this news today?
Well, Texas Children's Hospital says that they will be ready to administer the vaccine as soon as the EUA is given. So now the first step is for the FDA to determine if there's sufficient evidence that it is safe for these young children, and then to approve the emergency use authorization. Not only can youngsters sometimes get seriously ill, but keeping them in school can be a challenge with the coronavirus. Now Pfizer announces they may be the first to have a vaccine for 5 to 11-year-olds. Pfizer studied 2,268 volunteers and has said there were no serious side effects. The study isn't large enough to detect any extremely rare side effects, such as the heart inflammation that sometimes occurs after the second dose of the regular strength vaccine, mostly in men. But they say with a smaller dosage, the young kids can create the same immune response as teens and adults. Texas Children's Hospital was part of that study and told me how with a dosage a third of the size of what adults get, they witnessed that children can do really well with the vaccine.
We expect to be approved will be a much smaller doses, I think a third of the adult dose. So they've already prepared for that, because that was one of the reasons they found early in the studies that the adult dose was causing a lot of fever. When they went to that lower dose, it essentially, we didn't see fever in the studies almost at all. So it's going to be a third of the dose that we traditionally get at 12 and over.
Now, the first panel that is scheduled to hear this out, the panel for the FDA, is not scheduled until October 26th. So if you're one of those parents who are hoping to have a vaccine by Halloween, what I'm saying is it's not going to happen. But it could happen by Thanksgiving or Christmas. Reporting live in the Medical Center, I'm Haley Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.